Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this, we are going to discuss on who knows whom feature within Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. Initially, we will see a quick introduction about the functionality, and then we will switch to the Dynamics 365 Sales Hub application, and we will see how it works in real time. This feature helps the sellers or the salesperson to identify potential connections to a contact or lead through other people in their organization. It gives the salesperson the more context and warmer introduction, which is especially useful in the case of B2B sales scenarios where relationships matter a lot. This particular who knows whom functionality will use exchange email interaction data to determine the strength of relationships. The system analyzes communication patterns like email frequency and recency to calculate how well someone contacts with a lead. And based on all these data, it will list down the potential colleagues who may have a stronger relationship with that particular lead or a contact. Okay, basically this particular details will be available in the contact form as well as in the lead form within who knows whom widget. It will list down all the internal users or colleagues who have had consistent email interactions or appointments with that lead or opportunity. And it will also tell whether the relationships with the lead or contact is strong or weak, and also it will have the option to start uh, send an email to the colleague to get introduced to the lead or contact. And this particular feature will have a lot of benefits, like it will help to quickly identify the colleagues who might offer a warm introduction to the lead, and it will help to gain much trust from the prospects, and it will help the salesperson to focus on the leads with stronger internal connections, and it will help for enhanced collaboration and efficient follow-ups. Now we will switch to the application and see how this feature works. Now I'm in Sales Hub application. To enable who knows whom, we need to go to Sales Insights settings. And from here, we need to go to Relationship Insights. This who knows whom feature will come under Relationship Intelligence. So within Relationship Intelligence, we have two components. One is Relationship Analytics and the other one is who knows whom. In our next video, we will discuss on Relationship Analytics. But for enabling who knows whom, the first step is to enable this Relationship Intelligence, and then we need to enable this who knows whom. After enabling, we need to click on save, and then if we click on these options, it will take us to who knows whom page. From here, we can select the email template for sending the introduction email to the colleague. So currently we have one default email template for who knows whom, but if required, we can create additional email templates as well. And once this is enabled, we need to wait for a minimum 24 hours so that the data from Exchange or data from Dynamics 365 will be shown in the who knows whom widget. And one more consideration here is to work with who knows whom, you need to have your mailbox enabled for all your salesperson so that the emails and appointments will be synced between the Exchange and Dynamics 365. Okay, but I have enabled this feature before 2 days, so this will work for me in my Dynamics application. Okay, so after enabling, I will go to sales and I will open a sales record. So in this case, I will open one of the leads record, Alex Baker. And here you can see the who knows whom widget. So within this widget only, we will have the list of colleagues who have already contacted with this particular lead. And in this case, you can see I have logged in with the user system admin. And here it is showing me some two different users, salesperson 1 and salesperson 2. And for each colleague, it will show the relationship health as well. So in this case, the relationship is very strong. In both the cases, you can see the relationship health is very good. So both of the salesperson will be able to give a warm introduction to that particular lead. And if I click on this icon, I can see a graphical view of the salesperson. And then I can come back to this list view as well. And below each colleague, I can see this get introduced option. So if I click on this, the email template will be automatically pop up. So this is something coming from the email template that I showed you, right? So in this case, I have already selected the default who knows whom email template. But if you want to have some different template, you can create that. But if I click on this get introduced, automatically this email will be populated. Now, if I click on this send, a email will be sent to salesperson one with these details. Can you please introduce me to Alex Baker, system administrator? So this is my username, my logged in username. I hope now you are clear with this who knows whom concept in Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. Thank you for watching.